This video will be how to set up call types on your sub account. You'll access your sub account by going to your Setup tab and getting your account number typed in. By clicking Add a Call Type, you can choose from a predefined drop-down of different call types that could come into the account, or you can create a custom call type. You can also choose to have your instructions differ depending on the time of day. Once you choose your call type, you click Save in the top right-hand corner, and you'll be able to customize that specific call type. The first and last name and phone number fields are already populated. However, you can change them or delete them if needed. To add an additional prompt, you can click the plus sign in the top right-hand corner of this box, and you can choose from a drop-down of different prompts. You can also choose to create your own custom prompt if that's what you need. You can choose to have it set to single line, multi-line, or drop-down, and your maximum number of characters defaults to 255. To have your phone number automatically populate as a phone number in the format, you would click the phone drop-down at the very right-hand side of that specific prompt. You can choose to make a prompt a required field by checking the box, or to make it an unrequired field, you would just uncheck the boxes. To delete a prompt, you would click the X, and to rearrange them, you would simply drag them to the place that you want them. You can also make specific prompts only visible to dispatchers by clicking Toggle Dispatch in the top right-hand corner, and you'll see the blue line populates on the left-hand side. This will only be visible to the dispatchers from the back side of the account and not visible on the operator screen. By clicking next to the helper prompt at the bottom, you can add helper text to your operator. These are like notes or any specific instructions that you want to give them just to help them out on a call. By clicking Action Step in the left-hand corner, you'll be able to choose the action the operator should take on this specific call type. You can choose to transfer, email, or text. You can also send it to dispatch to have a dispatcher handle it, or you have the options of offering a voicemail or sending to the voicemail. You have two options for each. You can transfer to or transfer and deliver to. If you choose the and deliver option on any of these, it will be the last step that the operator will be able to take. Once they've completed this step, it will deliver the message and they will no longer see it. You will then choose who they're sending the call to, and by clicking Done, you've set up your action step. Once you click Save in the top right-hand corner and make your account active, you've created your first call type. You can add multiple call types on each account, like requesting to speak with an employee. For requesting to speak with an employee, you'll set it up the exact same. However, your action step will be to never have it deliver at the time of the action. So you'll keep it on requested staff as your employee, and you'll also add an action step to deliver the message once the step has been completed. When we get to the operator side of the screen, you'll see why it needs to be set up this way. You can also add additional prompt boxes at the bottom if there's any additional information that needs to be gathered. You can move your prompts around if you need to change the order of which steps are taken. A text info box can also be used to add additional information or instructions. By saving this and making it active, you now have two call types set up on the account. You can rearrange call types into the order that you would like them to be in, and then click Save at the top. You can also add time-sensitive instructions to each call type by clicking Add Time-Sensitive Instructions. You will choose Yes, they will vary depending on the time of day, and then you can choose to have a date range, a day range, or specific days and times that the instructions will be different. Any time-sensitive situations that you have will override the default. So you can choose your days and your times and click Save. You'll set it up just like you would any other call type. This is just for the specific dates and times. You now have a time-sensitive instruction set up on the account, so the November 29th will override the default on this date at 12 a.m. Once you have your call types set up, you can view them by clicking on Operator Screen, and you can now see what the operator will see. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.